Let's face it, the future is here. We're living in an age where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's transforming every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. It's not just about robots taking over mundane tasks. It's about enhancing our capabilities and opening up new possibilities. Imagine a world where AI can help you with your daily tasks, making your life easier and more efficient. But don't worry, this isn't a Terminator scenario. This is about opportunity. AI is here to assist us, not replace us. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where humans and machines work together to achieve greater things. AI is creating amazing ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to start a new business or just earn some extra cash on the side, AI-powered tools and platforms are making it easier than ever to achieve your financial goals. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical expertise. You can start leveraging AI to make money without having to learn complex coding or invest in expensive software. Forget about complex coding or expensive software. The new wave of AI tools is all about simplicity and efficiency. You can get started with minimal investment and still achieve great results. We're talking about user-friendly tools and platforms. These are designed to be intuitive and easy to use so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. These are designed for everyone. No matter your age, background, or experience level, there's an AI tool out there that can help you succeed. From students to retirees, everyone can benefit from the power of AI. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra cash, AI side hustles are within reach. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and still achieve your financial goals. The beauty of these side hustles? They're built for laziness. Or rather, they're built for efficiency. You can work from the comfort of your home, or even from a beach, and still get things done. Okay, maybe not laziness exactly. Let's call it efficiency. AI helps you streamline your tasks and maximize your productivity so you can achieve more in less time. AI takes over the repetitive tasks. This means you can focus on the more important aspects of your work like strategy and creativity. Let the machines handle the mundane stuff. This frees you up for the important stuff. You can spend more time with your family, pursue your passions, or simply relax and enjoy life. AI is here to make your life easier, not more complicated. You know, like spending time with family, pursuing passions, or simply relaxing, so buckle up. The future is bright, and AI is here to help you make the most of it. We're about to dive into the world of AI side hustles. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer. From automated trading to content creation, the opportunities are limitless. Get ready to discover how you can leverage the power of technology. Learn how to use AI to your advantage and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. It's time to unlock financial freedom and take control of your future. With AI by your side, the sky's the limit. So let's get started and see what the future holds. Ever wished you had a team of writers at your beck and call? Well, now you do. Imagine having a group of talented writers ready to bring your ideas to life no matter the time of day or night. This dream is now a reality, thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence. AI content creation tools are revolutionizing the way we write. These tools are not just a passing trend, they are here to stay and are continuously evolving to meet our needs. They are designed to understand context, tone, and style, making them an invaluable asset for anyone who needs to produce written content regularly. These tools can generate blog posts, social media captions, even entire ebooks in a matter of minutes. Whether you're a blogger, a social media manager, or an author, AI can help you create content faster and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine the time you'll save and the creative energy you'll preserve by letting AI handle the heavy lifting. Imagine this. You input a few keywords and a brief outline. The process is simple and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. Just provide some basic information about what you want to write, and the AI will take care of the rest. The AI takes over, crafting compelling and original content. It's like having a professional writer at your disposal, ready to create high-quality material on demand. The AI can mimic different writing styles and tones, ensuring that the content aligns perfectly with your brand or personal voice. No more staring at a blank page, no more writer's block. The days of struggling to find the right words are over. With AI, you can overcome creative blocks and keep your projects moving forward without delay. Just high-quality content ready to be published. The AI ensures that the content is not only well written but also polished and professional. You can trust that the final product will be something you're proud to share with your audience. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are leading the charge. These platforms are at the forefront of AI content creation, offering a range of features that cater to different writing needs. They are constantly updating their algorithms to provide even better results. They offer intuitive interfaces and a wide range of templates. Whether you're writing a blog post, a social media update, or a product description, you'll find a template that suits your needs. The user-friendly design makes it easy to get started, even if you're new to AI tools. Whether you need to write a product description or a script for a YouTube video, there's an AI tool for that. These tools are versatile and can handle a variety of writing tasks, making them a valuable addition to any writer's toolkit. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. While these are significant benefits, the true power of AI lies in its ability to enhance the quality of your content. AI tools can help you refine your ideas and present them in the best possible way. AI content creation tools are also incredibly powerful for SEO optimization. They can help you create content that ranks well on search engines, driving more traffic to your site. By analyzing keywords and search trends, AI ensures that your content is optimized for maximum visibility. They can analyze keywords, identify trending topics, and even suggest improvements to your writing style. This means your content will not only be engaging but also strategically crafted to attract and retain readers. This means more traffic to your website, more engagement on your social media, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. The benefits of using AI for content creation are clear. It's an investment that pays off in increased productivity, better content, and greater success in your online endeavors. The stock market can be intimidating, right? All those numbers, charts, and graphs can make anyone's head spin. It's a world where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye, and for many, it feels like a high-stakes game they don't know how to play. The constant fluctuations, the rapid changes, and the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming. It's no wonder that many people feel anxious about investing their hard-earned money in the stock market. But what if I told you that you could harness the power of AI to make smart investment decisions, even if you don't know a bull market from a bear market? Imagine having a tool that can analyze all that data for you, making sense of the chaos and guiding you towards profitable trades. AI-powered trading platforms are like having a personal financial advisor, available 24/7. These platforms don't sleep, they don't take breaks, and they are always on the lookout for the best opportunities to grow your wealth. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends, identify profitable trades, and execute them automatically on your behalf. They can process vast amounts of data in seconds, something that would take a human trader hours or even days to accomplish. Platforms like TrendSpider and Kahoot are making AI trading accessible to everyone. They offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful tools that can help even novice investors make informed decisions. You don't need a degree in finance or a six-figure investment portfolio to get started. These platforms are designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so you can start investing with confidence regardless of your background or experience level. With a small amount of capital and a willingness to learn, you can start growing your wealth passively. AI trading platforms allow you to set your own parameters and risk levels so you can invest in a way that suits your financial goals and comfort zone. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, and no system can guarantee profits. It's important to do your research and understand the potential downsides before diving in. But by diversifying your portfolio and using AI to make data-driven decisions, you can minimize those risks and maximize your earning potential. Diversification spreads your investments across different assets, reducing the impact of any single loss. And with AI's ability to analyze and predict market trends, you can make more informed decisions that align with your financial goals. So why not let the bots do the work? Embrace the future of investing and take advantage of the powerful tools at your disposal. With AI on your side, you can navigate the complexities of the stock market with greater ease and confidence, paving the way for a more secure financial future.